Hello guys, welcome to the new tutorial on Udemy SketchUp 2025 Masterclass. In this tutorial, we will talk about how we can move, copy, and rotate our projects very simple and easy. Very simple and very useful. One of the most useful and functional actions in 3D modeling is moving, taking copy, or rotating. So, in this case, I want to start my work with the previous training files, which is related to the extrude options and 3D modeling. So, first of all, I want to talk about some tricks or tips about the selection. In SketchUp, if you want to select your project as you can click on it. Very simple. The line will be selected for you. The face will be selected for you. Or even this face will be selected for you. If you want to select multiple objects or multiple subjects even, you can hold Ctrl and left click on them like that. These faces will be selected for us, and for example, I can delete them like that. And if I want to undo it and select them again, for example, hold Ctrl on my keyboard, left click on this face, on this one, on this face, on this one, on this one, like that. And even I want to deselect one of them, I only need to hold Shift and click on it, like that, and press Delete. As you can see, we can select or deselect the selected files or faces, very simple and easy. So another time we're gonna review it. If I hold Ctrl, for example, I can double click and select this object totally, double click, triple click, and select this object again. Another time, triple click and select all of it, and another time, triple click like that. So I select 4 objects with different shapes. Now I want to deselect this cube in here. I'm going to hold Shift on my keyboard and triple click on it like that. Very simple and easy. In the SketchUp, if I want to use the selection box, if I hold left click on my mouse and click and drag from the right side of the screen to the left side of the screen, all the things which are contained in my selection box, like that, will be selected for me. But if I do this work reverse and hold left click on my mouse and do this work from the left side to the right side, only the things which are inside of the selection box will be selected for me. For example, if I do this work again, as you can see like that, only the face and edges completely selected for me, which are contained and remain in my selection box from the left side to the right side. But if I want to do this work from the right side to the left side with the selection box, all the things will be selected for me. Alright, now I want to delete all of them, very simple and easy. So we have multiple ways. For example, I can create a selection box like that, or I can use the new update in the SketchUp, which is the lasso selection. If you click on the lasso selection, it's the selection like the freehand. And you only need to hold left click on your mouse and create some type of shape like that based on the places that you want to select. And they will select for you. And you can press delete. Very simple and easy. So I'm going to click on the select tool in here. And now I'm going to repeat the selection tips again on the one object for clarifying it. If I create a selection box from the right side to the left side like that, faces, edges will be selected for me. But if I do this work from the left side to the right side, only this face and edges which contain in my selection box will be selected for me. So this is the differences. If you select this face in here and right click and go to the select option, you can click on the all connected, and all the faces and edges which are connected to the face will be selected for you. if you select on this edge again, right click and go to the select option in here and click on the connected faces. Only these two faces which are connected to this edge will be selected for you. Very simple and easy. So we have this model in here. I'm going to select all of it, click on the move option in here, and now we want to talk about move in SketchUp. If you want to move the object, try to move it very clear. For example, don't move it from this face or take it from this face. You can use endpoints or vertices, much clearer, much easier. First of all, I'm going to left click and move my object to the origin point. Now, if I click on this endpoint in here, I can move it on the green axis, or I can move it on the red axis, or even I can move it on the blue axis. So in all of these cases, you can hold Shift on your keyboard to fix it and lock it. It helps you do not move your cursor to the other sides and your model will be move accurate. But if I release Shift on my keyboard, as you can see, sometimes I can't find the exact direction and axis in my SketchUp. So this is about the move and it's very easy. If I click on the move option again and press Ctrl on my keyboard, only press it, don't hold it. If I press Ctrl on my keyboard, the plus icon on my cursor will be appear. Now I can use this endpoint in here and take my copy like that, and in the distance box at the right side bottom you can see the number. For example, I can type 2 meter and press enter. Without pressing or extra clicking, now I want to take some multiple copies of this object. So listen carefully. If I want to take multiple copies of this object, I need to type the numbers that I want. For example, I want 6 copies. So I can type 6, X, and press enter. Very simple and easy it will generate for us. Like that. Very simple. If I want to select all of them like that in here, click on the move option again, press Ctrl on my keyboard, and take a copy on green axis this time. I can type 4 as the distance. It means take a copy in 4 meter of the endpoint. And I can type, for example, 5x and press enter. Now we take multiple copies of one object in SketchUp. Very simple. If you want to undo your project, you can press Ctrl Z on your keyboard and you can come back to the first step that you have. So another time we try this together. I'm going to triple click on this model like that. Click on the move option. I want to take one copy on the blue axis. So before I move it or doing something, I can press Ctrl on my keyboard, copy activated for me. From this endpoint to the, for example, 3.2 meter, I want to take a copy and press enter. Now I'm going to triple click on it again, click on the move option, and take another copy on the 2 meter, like that. Another time, triple click, move option, press Ctrl on my keyboard, copy activated for me, and another copy like this. Very simple and easy. As you can see, we create multiple copies, and it's one of the most easiest works in SketchUp. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z, come back to this side. Now I want to talk about how we can rotate our projects. For this reason, for better understanding, I'm gonna delete this box in here and draw another model. For example, I'm gonna use circle, draw a circle with the 2 meter radius like that. And for the rotational copies, I can click on the line option, move my cursor to the edge of the circle, hold it for 2 or 3 seconds, and move my cursor slightly to the center point of the center. So I'm going to click on it like that, draw a line like that in here. This line is the help line, and I will talk about it, how it works. For now, I'm going to select this circle in here and right click, and I'm going to make a group in SketchUp. This action helps you to separate your objects very clear and easier. So I'm going to click on the make group in here. I'm going to draw another box in here, for example, something like this, 0.8, 0.8, and press enter. I'm going to extrude it like that. Select it, make a group again. And now I want to click on the rotate option. If I click on the rotate option, I can rotate my project like that, very simple and easy, anytime I want. But how can I take a rotate copy in SketchUp? I'm going to press Ctrl again. The plus icon will be appear for me. And now I can take multiple copies. And again, type, for example, 4x, or even 5x, or even 6x, or even 7x, like that. Very simple and easy. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. In the next tutorial, we will review, copy, move again. Thanks for your time. Practice all of these structures, and goodbye.